it's got it. If it's got it anyway.
No shoulder belts on this car.
Yeah. That's good. This is comfortable.
Probably haven't been riding in one of these.
No.
For a little while.
Yeah. Well, I haven't gotten mine running yet, or driving anyway.
Yeah. One of these days.
Yeah. I gotta fix a transmission, and I gotta probably needs to top it off because it was leaking pretty good there. I had to take the exhaust off because I think the exhaust was causing a leak in the hydraulic lines.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Before I get out of here, I'll get some pictures of the car. Send you some non-shaky pictures.
Well, the guy at the car show a couple weeks ago there, he had a 57 in there like my other one. Yeah. And so he came over, he wanted to get a picture of both 57s side by side in the back alley.
Yeah.
So he did. His was black and white.
Yeah.
Came all the way up from Fort McLeod.
Yeah. And my dash is different than yours.
Yeah, you got a Ford dash.
Yeah. Galaxy.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, basically all the interiors are Ford on the Meteors.
Yeah.
These 352s sure want to go.
Yeah. I get mine working sometime. I bought 3 things of transmission fluid for it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Haven't used it yet.
Yeah, I never had any trouble with the transmission on this side.
I'll have to cut that transmission line and put a little hose on it and then clamp it down.
Yeah.
There's a little pinhole in that spot.
Oh,
I tried to like stick a half a piece of pipe or a half a piece of rubber line on it and then put a clamp on it. I'm not sure if that's holding or not, but it's not a very permanent solution.
Oh yeah.
Just cut it and put a piece of fuel line on it or something. Hydraulic hose.
Oh yeah, it works somewhat anyways there.
It should.
They used to have a big car auction here every summer.
Yeah.
And now they moved out to the other end of Calgary there.
Yeah.
When I move out here, be near it there, and then they move away.
Yeah.
They filled up this whole area there full of cars that were for sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, the worst thing that had happened to this, I was driving it into where I used to live there, and the wheel caught a concrete block and it lifted up and broke the dipstick tube off. And all the fluid ran out.
Yeah.
So I couldn't even drive it till able to get that fixed and get fluid back in it again.
Yeah.
I was lucky it happened at home. The guy likes to fly his flags high.
Oh yeah.
I see that truck around all the time.
Yeah. Well, those are work flags up top there, right? Those orange ones?
Yeah, it looked like it there.
Yeah.
He's got different flags on there. He used to have the Canadian flags on there before.
Yeah.
I put an AM/FM radio on this.
Yeah. I think my radio works, but the speaker is probably rotted out.
The speaker is rotted out?
Probably. Plus my antenna is broken. The antenna on my car was busted off. I have it, but it's broken.
And it's still got the original speakers in this one.
Yeah.
So mine are good. They should still be good too. Worse on the car I sold.
Yeah.
There's our hospital.
Oh yeah.
You know where Niton Junction is?
Yep.
I know a friend that lives up there.
Yeah, I went to school there back in 98 to 97. I was only there for like 4 weeks, but...
Oh, really?
Yeah. I lived, because that's close to Nojak.
I had a friend that lives on an acreage up there and end of the road, and he's got a field full of junk cars in the back. He showed them to me, and I put a YouTube video on it there one time.
Yeah.
Some were fixable, which he wanted to do, and others are just too far gone to save.
Yeah.
Just parts cars only. See, they're doing that with those signal lights again, the new cars.
Yeah.
Like the Thunderbirds used to do.
Yeah.
I seen some 62 Thunderbirds come out to the A&W show and shine all the time.
Yeah.
The cop shop.
Yeah.
This is our campground.
Oh yeah.
In the middle of town.
It's as good as a place any, I guess, if it's an RV camp.
Yeah, got no vacancy sign up there.
Yeah.
I camped in there one time too and I had my camper.
I want to build a little camper for my truck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It'd be better than a tent anyway.
Yeah, I had a motorhome one time I got from trading it straight across for a car.
Yeah.
That was a piece of junk too. So I got rid of it again after using it once. I came out here once to go camping and went, a couple other times I went camping around, and it just seemed like it broke down every time I drove it.
Yeah. Well, it's the way a lot of
Oh, there's an empty
motorhomes
spot
are.
there. Somebody.
Yeah.
Another empty
Another
spot.
one. Maybe there's vacancy, or they're
If
off
there's no
somewhere.
vacancy, they should take the sign down.
Yeah. Maybe they're reserved.
Maybe.
Could be. Never know.
Popular place anyways there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know what it is. Middle of the week now, so
Yeah.
not too many people come out here.
Yeah.
Got the river down there.
Yeah.
Car like yours.
Henry's Sonic, it's the same thing, or same platform anyway, because I know some of them are Sonic or Spark.
What's yours, a Spark?
His is a Spark.
A Spark. That's his car, is it?
Yeah, it's his car. I'm just driving it right now. Yeah, I need a gas tank for my car.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. The gas tank was imploded or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It looks like it. I don't know, like someone pulled a vacuum in it or something. It's possible.
You'd have to use a 65 because a 66
Yeah.
is a different gas tank.
Yeah.
They went from a 16-gallon tank to a 20-gallon tank.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think the tank that my dad got for his 66 would fit into my car. At least that's what he thinks anyway, because he's gonna let me use that one, but that means I got to buy him another one.
They may work, but
Right.
I don't know if they, because the basic frame structure is the same in 2
I
years.
think it's similar.
Yeah.
It's a similar shape.
You just have to find out, you know, if a 66 tank will work, because they decided that they made bigger tanks in those days.
Yeah. But his is a convertible, so it might work. But
You ever go to Denny's restaurant there?
in Calgary, I don't think so.
Yeah, I've been there too. I was there a couple weeks ago for lunch.
Oh yeah. We went to Wendy's and Tim Hortons on our way up here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, they give you free lunch on your birthdays there.
Oh yeah. Long trip for that.
Well, not too far for me to go to that one.
Yeah, I mean, like for myself anyway.
Getting some videos there?
Yeah. Film a little bit. Might as well. Gives me something to put on YouTube.
Yeah, something you can put on YouTube there.
I haven't done much because I haven't been able to work on the truck very much.
If you run into rain on the way back.
Probably. Supposed to rain today.
Yeah, and again tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, the other day I was in Nojak, it rained like most of the day.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I pretty much told him that I'll hang out at your place till he's ready to go. There's no point in going back there until he's ready.
No. Might as well hang out with me there in the meantime. As you don't very often see you.
Yeah. This is only the second time.
Yeah, after all these years. There's so many people I know on there never even met yet.
Oh yeah.
Because the guy on there, he sings every day on there and puts a song on there, and he lives in Bellingham. But the only problem is I never go to Bellingham.
Oh yeah.
Now is he going to go? Oh, now
Turning.
he puts a signal light on.
Yeah.
The street here's hardly a house down here when I moved in here.
Yeah.
And even this street, there's hardly a house.
Yeah.
I see like it was the middle of the prairie when I moved in here.
Mm-hmm. So you want to take some pictures of your car before you put it in the garage?
Yeah, okay. Got a good range there, that remote there.
Oh yeah. Your tarp spot.